In this video, I will show you how to use Stripe for your SMMA. So for your SMMA, if you have a client, then you will need to get paid every single month. So the most important part for using Stripe is that you can set up automatic billing. So the client doesn't need to fill in their payment information every single month and manually pay. It will be like sort of a subscription, as if you were, for example, subscribed to Netflix, and you want to set up the same thing for Stripe. And in this video, I will show you exactly how to do this. First, open up the Stripe website. So this right here is what we want to do. We want to capture recurring revenue. By doing this, you will minimize churn and automate finance operations. So simply click on Start with Billing right here. Then click Start Now. Now here you will need to first, of course, create your Stripe account. So enter your email, full name, country and password. Now here they will ask you how do you sell. Now you can also click skip, but I'm just going to fill this in. So I'm going to use a flat rate subscription. So this is a fixed recurring fee paid for continuous access to your product or service. Now I'm just going to verify my email first, so click verify email. So then your account creation will be all done. So then click on activate payments. Now here you need to follow these 5 steps. So first your business type, so business location and type of business, this is in Dutch, and then click continue. Now here fill in your business details. Now here tell them more about your business. Now describe how you fulfill your orders, so do you sell physical goods? I'm going to select no. Now after filling in your business details, you will need to add your bank to receive payouts, so just enter your IBAN and confirm it. Now you need to secure your account, so you can use an authenticator app. You can add a security key or use SMS. I recommend using an authenticator app, so just download the Google Authenticator app and scan this QR code. Then you will get a code in the app and you can simply fill that code in right here. Now here you will get a backup code, so just save this somewhere. Now optionally you can also automate your VAT calculation. I'm going to skip this. So now that you have set up your Stripe account, we want to actually set up a recurring payment. So to do this, simply click on More right here, and then under Accept Payments, click on Subscriptions. Now here in the top right, click on Create a Subscription. So here you can find or add a customer, so just enter the name of the customer, so that is your client. Now here enter the duration, so I'll just set it to forever, since I'm not sure when it will end. Now you can also choose the starting date, so for example I will select the 1st of February. And now here for the pricing, first add a new product. So you can enter the name of the product, for example I will say Facebook ads. Now the pricing model, so they have standard, package pricing, graduated pricing or volume. I'll keep it at standard. Now you can choose a price, so let's say it's 1,000 euros per month, then I'll select that. And here choose your currency, then choose recurring or one time. Now I recommend using recurring because you want to have a monthly subscription, and you can choose a billing period, which will usually be monthly. Then click on Add Product. So now pick the product right here, choose when it starts, and you can add a free trial. Now I don't use free trials, so I'll skip this. And now you can choose the subscription settings. So here the important part is to select automatically charge a payment method on file. So by doing this, it will be like a Netflix subscription where they don't even need to think about it and they will just be billed every single month automatically. This makes it much easier and that will lower your churn. Now here you can choose an invoice template. Now you need to upgrade to a paid plan to unlock this. So I'm just going to add a random name right here, for example the name of my YouTube channel. So then click on Schedule Subscription. So now the subscription has been scheduled. Now if you don't have a payment method on file yet for this specific customer, then it won't be charged automatically yet. So you want to go to Customers here. Then you will see the customer, and here click on the customer. And here add their payment method. And then you will need to verify your phone number to add cards via the dashboard. So then you can see per customer what subscription they are on. So for this specific customer, they are being billed monthly for Facebook ads, and it is 1,000 euros per month, and you will see when they will be next billed. So then when you go to home, here you can see your gross volume, you can see new customers, successful payments, and your net volume. And here you will just see all of your analytics, so your added customers, how much money you've made, etc. So that's how to use Stripe for your SMMA. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.